I didn't hear many complaints. It turned out to be a nicer Wednesday than expected. From the UF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. Remember, though, we told you this is a two-day weather system moving through. Only one day is down. We still have one to go, and I still think rain is in our forecast overnight into Thursday. Here's what happened on the satellite and radar composite, and I paused this around daybreak Wednesday morning. Boy, look how close the heavier rain there came to Gainesville. And let me switch sources to show you what really happened earlier today. You're looking at a temperature map with the winds, also the radar. Let me zoom into South Florida. Look at the temperatures down here near Miami, 80. And look at those winds right out of the south there. Very warm, humid, moist, unstable environment moving into South Florida. And between here and South Florida, there appears to be a boundary, a convergence boundary, where showers and thunderstorms formed all day, and that prevented the northward transport of this real juicy air into North Florida. It was also interesting to note that we had cloud cover, keeping us a little more stable. Out to the west, though, in the Panhandle, temperatures reached the mid-70s, even close to 80 in a few spots. One more thing I want you to notice, there's a wind shift out to the west. This is the actual cold front, and until that swings through, we have a good chance that showers will try to develop and the moisture will start to surge northward, but the real deep moisture and the instability for heavy rain is going to stay across South Florida. Nonetheless, look at the rainfall totals from earlier Wednesday. Putnam County, parts of Marion County, a ½ inch to an inch. Here in Gainesville and at the airport, here on campus, less than 1/10 of an inch of rain so far. More, though, is on the way. It's not going to be heavy, but because of this slow-moving front, rain is possible off and on through Thursday. The front clears Thursday night. We do have a brief cool-down coming, but temperatures aren't going to be that bad, and certainly no freeze expected. Then, get this. We told you Monday a pattern change was coming, a prolonged period of warmer weather right through the middle of next week, and even though a cold front comes through next week, I think the warmth is going to last for several days. Here it is hour by hour on future tracks. Showers bubbling back up again after 2 a.m., closer to daybreak, and they become a little more widespread when this front moves through. There's 10 a.m., lunchtime. Notice the periods of rain continuing here. Temperatures not bad Thursday, but they will be cooling off Thursday night in the wake of this front. Check out your Friday morning lows: 41 Gainesville, 44 Ocala, 45 in Crystal River. So certainly a cool down coming by Friday morning. But here's a quick glance at the next 5 or 6 days. This little trough of low pressure now that's responsible for the unsettled weather lifts, and look at this pattern through next Tuesday. We do have a big storm developing in the central U.S., probably a big snowmaker in the plains, severe weather in the mid-south, but that largely leaves us alone, and we stay really mild for the extended forecast. Here's my updated 6-day. Once we get to the showers Thursday, it cools off a bit Friday. A great looking weekend in store. Sunday's high 72.